Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and back for another quick segment. On today's segment, we're going to be out in the yard. We have a resident that wants the lawn taken care of, and with that being said, we're going to grab our Ego, our battery-operated Ego, and we're going to get on that grass. Let's show you what that Ego looks like. Okay, we're going to be utilizing our Ego. It's a 21-inch, our decking, which is 21 inches, 56-volt arc lithium, self-propelled, battery operated. And with that being said, let's get this grass cut. Yes, you can still hear me because this lawnmower is quiet. I mean, of course you can hear it running. Okay, we're gonna keep cutting our grass. Okay, that's looking good. Let's get more of that going. Yes, indeed. It's cutting real nice. Blades are sharp. We have our grass clippings being collected in the bag. Ego, it makes light. It makes the work very quick. lightweight, not heavy, not hard to maneuver. And as you can see, we're almost done. Now let's get rid of those grass clippings and take our trash can. We're gonna take our bag catcher here. We're gonna go ahead, empty the grass clippings. And as you can see, we got a lot. We got a ton of grass clippings. Okay, are we done? No. Now we have to do a little edging. Get this back on there. Now let's grab our edger. Okay, this is our Ego weed eater or weed whacker. We're gonna go ahead, get our battery on here. Simple as slide and click. There we go. All right, let's get some stuff cleared up. Okay, we're gonna get some of this cleared around here. As you can see us clearing it out. Nice edge. Okay, let's edge this grass along this garage. So now let's finish things up by using our trusty blower. We're gonna blow any excess grass and dirt. We're gonna blow that. Let's do that now. Okay, we're gonna clear this out. Now, as you can see, our grass is looking good and we're ready. We could use a little water and any residual paper or anything, we can clean that up. We just got a few pieces I see. But as you can see, we got the job done. Now let's get on this front. As if you were using a lawnmower, a gas-powered lawnmower. All right, let's edge this up now. Gonna turn onto our edger. Nice and smooth edge. Hit those weeds. Nice sharp edge. Okay. Okay, let's put the last finishing touches on, clear out everything with our blower.